Parawood is a hardwood that comes from the rubber tree and is commonly found in Southeast Asia. The tree is primarily grown for its latex, which is used to produce rubber products such as tires. But when the tree reaches the end of its productive life, it is harvested for its wood. Parawood is often referred to as rubberwood because of its origin from the rubber tree. Parawood is considered to be one of the most sustainable woods available on the market today. Parawood has a light color and a straight, uniform grain, which makes it an excellent option for staining or painting. The wood is known for its durability and strength, making it a great choice for furniture that will be used regularly. Parawood is also resistant to warping, which is a common issue with other types of wood. It is also easy to work with, making it a popular option for woodworking projects. Parawood is primarily used in furniture production. Its strength and durability make it a popular choice for chairs, tables, and cabinets. Parawood is also used to make flooring, panels, and other wood-based products. Because of its light color and uniform grain, Parawood is an excellent choice for staining or painting. It takes on stain evenly, and the wood's natural grain pattern remains visible, making it a popular choice for furniture that requires a particular aesthetic.